You asked, how to divide 7446 by 4 using the long division method. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 34 minus 32 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1861 remainder 2.